I don't know.
Hi, YouTube.
Whoa, it's so funny!
As you can tell, we're a little sugar high. It's okay. It's snowing outside, so we have nothing better to do. Across the hall. We're from Southern New Hampshire University. Across the hall right now, there's a rave, random-ass little party. So we decided to be, well, us. And we infiltrated and made them play country. Hand down. Apparently it's short-lived, and you can hear them. It's very short-lived, but
now they're banging on our wall. And Devon's gonna go bang on the wall back. See, follow. See? This has been happening all day since like 3 o'clock. So this is what happens.
lesson to you kids, Kool-Aid and kettle corn don't mix very well.
My hair is anyway. It's
And now they're singing. I bet they're drunk. That's my theory. See, your camera's...
I know my camera go backwards, but anyway.
Hold on. Boom, boom, boom. Okay.
We've been joining. It's just kind of what we do.
It's across the hall, literally on the other side of the wall where I sleep. So
she gets to feel the of the bass.
Before it was annoying, now it's just kind of entertaining, and now we're going to see what we can get them to do. And we
paid them $1.
We did pay them $1, but you know that's okay because I made up the $1 in apparent cuteness, which I don't do cuteness.
Actually, with the $1, you gained 5 cents.
I did gain 5 cents. Yes.
So your profit is 5 cents.
My profit is 5 cents. I'm very cheap, if you didn't know. Ooh, see, your camera's messed up.
Just leave my camera alone. It's special.
Whatever, it's okay. Anyway, obviously this is a random video. My videos won't be so meh. Hopefully I won't be on Kool-Aid and kettle corn when I do more videos. So this one's a very impromptu, very, yeah, everything else will actually be planned and good and not so jumpy.
Which is not the point of YouTube.
It's the point of my YouTube account. Anyway, we're gonna go and we're gonna fuck with them a little more because it's really fun.
Why can't we just have a nice video for a while, for at least like a good amount of time, and just have fun for now?
Fun. I don't care.
And we can just let the world see us as we are. I felt a little too much wrong today.
A little bit.
Or at least until we go to dinner at like 7, or until my laptop dies. So I need my charger. Take it my seat, Evo.
That's right. You get the second seat, I get the good seat, and people can actually see me. And it's going on my account.
It's going on either yours or mine. I was thinking because
actually.
At least I didn't dump kettle corn in my container, in my drawers.
I'm sorry. That's right, folks. I got popcorn in her drawers.
But we can do like when you're here. We can do like silly videos like this.
And put them on your YouTube account.
Yeah.
No, I said I misspoke. It's not going on mine.
Just can go on mine, and I can like tag her like in mine, you know.
Yeah. You'll know who I am.
A little chip box.
In the comment section below. Damn. And just think. She never got the Kool-Aid. The Kool-Aid was mine. No alcohol.
I feed off of her energy. It's how I am.
Yes, my energy.
Why is your phone vibrating here? What the fuck is it?
My phone is like a would-be vibrator. It's kind of funny, actually. It's really crappy. It's the Pantech Duo. It goes both ways.
Like she does.
It's true, but still, hey. Yeah.
But yeah, so I think we're gonna have another like snow day tomorrow. So you're probably gonna get another video from us tomorrow. Especially if this is going on behind us.
Like if this keeps me up, you'll even see me on Kool-Aid, on kettle corn, and sleep deprived. That's just a real party. It's a party.
I'll be recording for you guys, I promise.
Yeah, it looks like crap.
Hey, mine's always poo.
You just need to take a shower.
I know, I gotta do that later. Not that you guys really need to know that, but
that's it. Hey, they know that I go both ways, so they can know you need to take a shower. So shush.
Yeah, but the fact that you go both ways is more entertaining than the fact that I need to shower.
It depends on your audience.
We are both kind of addicted to our cell phones, so if you see us, just go.
Just randomly stop. It's because we're texting.
Yeah.
If you can hear it, then you'll know it. But if you can't hear the subtle click, 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 click,
Currently
click,
on my tape, so it might go.
I took it off vibrate, so it won't scare the viewers because it can be a very scary noise.
It's great when it goes off in our lectures because like, and our teachers just kind of look at her.
Case in point.
Maybe.
Or if it's on my laptop, which is even funnier.
Why'd you just shake it?
Because it likes to be shooken. I don't know. And you've got a thing.
It's okay, I don't care. She can go die in a hole for all I care right now.
Huh.
But, not really. But, you guys are more important to me. Make sure we don't go over 10 minutes because that's as much as you can upload right now.
I know.
Which sucks! Because you used to be able to upload like 20-minute videos and it wouldn't matter.
It was 15 when I started doing videos, and before my other account it got deleted.
Yeah,
if you remember
our
me.
hands too, by the way.
What?
We talk with our hands. So
Yes.
forming.
She's the Italian. I don't know. My nana's a total, or my grandmother. Ooh, my grandmother's a total mutt. So I don't know what I am. So I'm probably Italian, seeing I like to talk with my hands all the time. You being mean so quiet. Anyway, what else?
Oh no, it's stuck. Oh, there it is. Oh.
I don't know this song. Yeah. Anyway.
I just kicked her foot.
Nah, it's okay. She does it all the time. I step on her, she kicks me, it's all good.
This is why we don't share a bed, because we'd be like smack in the face.
Yeah, we tried that once. Didn't work out well. Anyway.
Yeah, good thing Molly's not here. She'd be sitting in the closet complaining that she didn't have cookies.
Yes, that's the other thing we tend to do, and maybe we should post a video from the closet one time.
Oh yeah, one of
Should we
these
show
days.
them my closet?
But we don't have the closet. The closet is in my old room before I got kicked out of that room and moved up here.
Yes, that's
To wash.
That's the
hall,
best.
third floor? Yeah.
Dude, now they know what we are.
They don't know what room I'm in.
Good point. Okay, never mind. Anyway. Yes, they do, because they know that we were banging on the wall.
That's your fault. You're the one that banged on the wall.
You encouraged me to do it.
As you can see, we blame each other for everything.
Mm-hmm.
What the hell was this? I have no idea what this was, but it was there.
I don't know, but it's kind of funny. At least your horrible teeth aren't in the shot.
My teeth are the wrong way. Good, the hair's in the way. There we go. Yeah, I'm totally emo. Not really. You get the shot.
I don't want to.
You do.
Oh, I've been pulled in.
Ooh, sexual.
That's okay.
Must be rated M for content.
Actually, I've said fuck twice, so it's rated R now.
Oh.
Oh, 3.
Oh, no shit, cocksuck, fuck me. What? Yeah.
And again, I am the one who had the Kool-Aid. She's drink what? You drink. She drinks Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew and Coke. You give her Mountain Dew and Coke, and it's a good combination.
Hey, I had cookies earlier with you.
And cookies, that's right. You had your.
I was hunting for the nuts, remember?
Yes. Hunting for the nuts. Yes, yes. All right, we're just passing 9 minutes. Just
Okay.
FYI.
That thing is cool.
Okay. Anyway.
Oh. Is this what I think it is?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're very random too. Again,
Mm-hmm.
not that this is going on my channel, it's going on hers, but that's okay.
Yeah.
She's full of randomness. I'm full of randomness as well, but I like to plan videos. That's what I used to do. If anyone actually remembers my videos from, fuck, 3 years
4
ago?
times now.
Shush.
I love only 3 fingers showed when I did that.
Alright.
I did have 4 fingers up though, guys.
She did. It's true. She's not the drunk one. It's okay. Fuck, we're over 10 minutes.
Oh, stop it!